From the Directorate of Criminal Investigations have discovered weapons alleged to have been used in the murder of 5 family members in Kagongo village in the county of Kiambu. Lawrence Warunge, the firstborn son of slain US-based businessman Nicholas Warunge, led the detectives to Mai Mahiu, where he's alleged to have dumped the murder weapons and where his phone signal was last traced. Here now is Brian Otieno with details of this harrowing incident.
Investigations into the murder of 5 took homicide detectives to Mai Mahiu in the county of Nakuru, ending at a pit latrine where the suspected murder weapons were stashed by suspect Lawrence Warunge. Among the items recovered was a knife and a pair of scissors, items that are believed to have been used in the gruesome murders, killing among them Lawrence's father, who was stabbed 34 times. Clothes that the suspect is believed to have been wearing on Tuesday when the murders took place were also discovered at the Mai Mahiu scene. The 22-year-old university student had been missing since Tuesday when 4 of his family members and a laborer were murdered in cold blood within their home in Kagongo village in Karura area. Lawrence's phone signal had first been traced to Naivasha, where he is reported to have fled to his girlfriend's house, who was also arrested. Later traced to Thika and eventually triangulated in Kabete, where he was arrested Friday. The mutilated bodies of Nicholas Njoroge Warunge, who had been living in the US, his wife Anne, their son and nephew, as well as a construction worker, were found within the family's compound with stab and hack wounds and slit throats. Police believe that up to 5 people committed the gruesome murders with the help of a family member, as there was no sign of forced entry into Warunge's home. Autopsy reports of the bodies are expected on Monday. Brian Otieno, KTN News.